Hi guys, okay, I'm actually using my front-facing camera for once. I don't think that the quality is as good as the rear-facing, but hey, I have a Samsung Galaxy S9, so camera's good either way, and YouTube is actually helping me out with this. Anyway, I became Diamond at the end of the year, on the 31st of December, and I just picked up my Diamond welcome box today. I did open it, but I have no idea what the products are in this. The Ultimate Rewards Diamond welcome box. It comes with $25 off your next beauty service. It says that, well, it has to be a minimum $25.01 purchase. This expires the end of this year, so I can use it anytime this year. It doesn't say whether it's skin or hair or whatever, which skin and hair are the only really beauty services available at my store. Yes, I do work for Ulta. I am not an affiliate. I am an associate. Do not ask me any questions about procedures, please, because I actually like my job. I value my job. I'm not trying to lose it. Just saying. This is something that I got as someone who actually purchases everything. Yeah, I use my discount. Yeah, I use my points. Everybody does. But that doesn't mean I can't become Diamond, and I did. I probably never would have spent this much at Ulta if I didn't work there, because I probably wouldn't have gotten into makeup as much as I did. I know I'm playing with my hair. I think it looks awful, but it's like I told you guys in my video from yesterday, I'm trying to care less about that and more about actually putting out content. So, what do you... Josh is recording me recording. Sorry, guys. Anyway, if you do not know what Ulta Diamond is, so when you sign up to be a member, and it's completely free to be a member with Ulta Rewards. This is not the credit card. This is just the basic. This is just the basic membership and everything. But what it is the more money you spend, the more perks you get, kind of thing. So basically, if you are a member, it is free. So spend per calendar year, free. Points earned per dollar, 1. You get a free birthday gift, and you get double the points in your birthday month. When you get to Platinum, in order to get to Platinum, you have to spend $450 in the calendar year. When you get to Platinum, you earn points 25% faster, you get your free birthday gift, you get double points in your birthday month, just like the regular membership, but the added perks are you get a $10 birthday coupon, and your points never expire. I recommend at least getting to Platinum. It's not hard to spend $450 at Ulta in a calendar year. So, yeah. And also, Diamond is actually fairly recent, like the past 2 years. So, when you get to Diamond, how do you get to Diamond? You spend $1,200. You guys probably cannot see that at all. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop trying to show you guys and focusing it. Diamond, you have to spend $1,200 in a calendar year. That's $1,200. You earn points 50 times faster. Free birthday gift, double the points in your birthday month. $10 birthday gift pawn? What's a gift pawn? Birthday coupon. Points never expire, and the 2 added perks that makes it different from Platinum are you get free everyday shipping on orders of $25 or more. Usually it's, I want to say 35 and up, or like 50 and up. It depends on what Ulta's doing at the time. And you get an annual $25 beauty services reward card, which that's every year. So this thing right here, $25 off my beauty service, that's every year, but it is every year that I am Diamond. The way that these work is, one, I'm sorry, guys. Josh is just in the background. He's just, look at him. I know I don't ever show him in my videos, so now you guys got to see him. The way this works is, say you become platinum in June or whatever, just the calendar year of 2018. Your membership isn't going to expire for being platinum until like the next calendar year. You know what? I'm not going to try to explain that part of it because it's not on here and it's easier for me to read off. So I will do another video if you guys want me to, or look it up. Me, not you guys. Some of the little things next to here: members only, email opt-in, and birthday required. Must activate your double the points to actually get your double the points in your birthday month. So when you go to Ulta and they ask you, oh, hey, would you like to sign up? It's free. Do it. Sign up. It's free. You get points, which means you get money off for spending money over time. The reason they ask for your email is because you're not going to get special coupons or special points unless you have the app if you don't have that email. In order to get your birthday gift, it's going to be in an email. I don't know what my sweet loves are doing. There's a bandit. There's Josh. I think he's just enjoying watching me right now. I'm sorry, you guys. But as I was saying, the calendar, you're gonna be diamond or platinum, whatever you are, for a year until you get to the next year. It expires like at the end of that year. I don't know how diamond's gonna work since it's not like I can spend well, I guess if I spend another $1,200 this year, by the end of the calendar year, I'll stay diamond. I guess that's how that works. But if you don't give them your email, then you don't get those coupons. You don't get those deals. You don't see that unless you have the app. And the app has your email, so, I mean, you're kind of going to see both. But there's stuff that comes in emails that isn't on the app, so give them your email, give them your address. That way you get I don't have one laying around here, but you get the ad book. You get all the information on the sales and what's going on and free gifts and stuff like that. So be sure to give them your birthday, give them your email, give them your address. So, let's get to actually seeing what's in mine. Some people reported having, like, full-size products, but I've pretty much only seen trial or deluxe sample sizes. So, I got a bunch of sparkly stuff. I'm sorry, guys. No, that's included in the box, but I don't know if I'd call that a free gift. Depends on who you are. The products that I got are right here. 2 Clinique products. So one of them is the Clinique High Impact Mascara in black. And I think this is like a deluxe sample size. It's not a full size because even though there's this barcode right here that's a sticky, it says not for sale. And that's obviously because it came in my box. But this is Clinique Smart Custom Repair Eye Treatment. Ooh, I might actually use this. I'm not big on mascara, you guys. I'll do eyeliner, but I'm very picky about mascaras because I have naturally long lashes. So if I wear mascara, I don't want them to clump. I don't want anything to happen to my lashes. I want them to still look natural. If I wear lashes, like falsies, it's usually for a look or a cosplay. But this is the other product that I got. Again, not a full size, but this is, how big is this? It's 0.5 flow ounces, 15 mLs, and the mascara here is 0.14 ounces, 3.5 mLs. The expiration on this, once I open it and start using it, is 6 months. this one is also 6 months, which is interesting considering you just boom, boom, or like on a sponge or something and dab it on. This doesn't have, wait, does it have the directions? Kinda, sorta, yes, no. But that's it, you guys. That's what was in my box. I'm happy with it overall. I'm glad I got to diamond, all that jazz. If you have any questions about this, about me working at Ulta, without telling me anything that's gonna lose, like me telling you guys that's gonna make me lose my job, I don't want that. I really don't, you guys. You can ask me particular questions, but if you ask me a question that I can't answer, then I'll say I can't answer that, or I just won't. So, but feel free to ask me questions about stuff like this, Ulta perks, and all that jazz. Again, spend $1,200 this calendar year, and you could get one of these. Also, all boxes are different. None of them are the same. Some people online reported getting the same kind of stuff or the same products, but I promise you everything is different. No one knows what is in the box until they open the box. So, I will see you guys in my next video. You guys got to see Josh for one of the first times, and you got to see my puppy. I'm going to be probably recording videos like this more often, so I actually upload them. And I'm myself when I do them like this. So, that is a big thing with me, and a big thing as far as actually getting content up. So, till next time, you guys, be yourself, hit the like button, subscribe, give me ideas, anything you want me to review, talk about, whatever, Therapeutic Thursdays. I'm gonna try and actually do those. Gonna actually try and get reviews up and stuff like that. All of that jazz. This is not something that I'm going to talk about as far as like Ulta and working at Ulta exclusively, because that's not what my channel is about. But if you have questions, I can answer them. Hopefully. We'll see. Till next time, you guys. Like, share videos, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks, guys.